Hello everybody and welcome back. Oh my goodness, I've missed you guys so much and I'm so sorry I was away for so long, but I'm back and hopefully here to stay. So anyway, you guys, today I have a super treat for you guys. Today we are going to be doing some Decoden. Yay! And I know that a lot of my longtime subscribers have been curious about Decoden since I first started posting Decoden videos a few years ago. And hang on a second, I just noticed that my little piggy over there has fallen over. I need to fix him. OCD, hang on. So I think that Midnight must have been walking around here again because it looks like a few things have actually fallen over, including my little baby doll in the little dragon outfit. Isn't that adorable? Don't ask me if I'm going to be able to set this up. He's on a little coffin, which is very appropriate because today we are going to be making Decoden coffin boxes. It is going to be so cute. In case any of you guys missed my huge $3,000 pastel clothing haul, I did show a few stuffies that I got in that video, and look you guys, I got a new friend. Well, he's been here for a while now, but I never actually showed him in a video other than that clothing haul, and I'm assuming lots of you crafties didn't watch it. So here he is, my little sparkly platypus. He is so cute. So that's his new home, and yes, I hate tags, but I can't bear to take the tags off them because they have their name and their birthday and all that jazz. So I leave them on. I know they don't look nice, but I leave them on. Okay guys, so I've got all of my crafting stuff here. We're not going to be doing a resin today, but I have decided I am going to be like keeping some of my crafting supplies ready on hand just in case we do need them, because you know our ideas do change, you know, in our head as we're crafting. But anyway, for today, we are going to be doing some awesome Decoden Trinket boxes. Who knows, I might even end up decorating that one there. But I don't know, I think that one looks pretty cute, just painted how it is. I actually never finished painting that one. But anyway, this is a box that I made a couple years ago, and we're going to be doing one very similar to this. I actually used some really cool pastel paint markers to make these pretty designs on the side. Not sure if we're going to do that because I've already painted the box ahead of time just so we don't have to wait for it to dry. But yeah, so this is something like the box we are going to be making. And this necklace and this box are actually both for one of my amazing subscribers. So shout out to you, Essie. This video is going out to you and your awesome daughter. They are one of my mother-daughter tag team duos that watches my Kawaii videos together. So I am very, very happy to be making a Decoden Trinket box and a necklace for her. So grab a tea, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's start crafting. Okay, so basically here I am just showing you guys the coffin boxes that I painted. So I did paint two of them. This one here that I'm showing now is actually missing the little clasp at the front. So I'm going to be keeping this one for me since it is kind of defective, and as you can see I didn't finish painting the inside of it, but I still think it is super cute, so we will be decorating that one on another day. And then today, this is the one we are going to be decorating. It's all striped, but those stripies are going to be covered. It's all pretty on the inside, even some metallic paint. And yeah, I just love the color. I mixed that color myself, and it's got like some black distressing on the edges that I really love. I even went in with some dry brushing, and I think it looks so pretty. So get ready guys, because we are gonna decorate this box. It is gonna be so much fun. I'm just showing that distressing more. It looks really cool, kind of like something creepy is about to come out of the box. Anyway guys, here we go. my goodness, guys, we are done. Eek! I can't believe it. This is so exciting. My first Decoden video. I've been doing Decoden for so long. It's like so weird that I haven't done a video yet about it, but now I have. And I did lose one nail in the process of this video, but that's okay, because I did these nails for the video anyway. So here it is, you guys. What do you think? I think it is so cute. I ended up going with like a really big rose theme. Like I just really liked how the flowers look. I might add one more. I'm thinking of putting this little pearl right there. Either that or this mint flower right here. Like, what do you guys think? Do you think that would look super cute? I don't know. It might be like too many of those at the bottom. So I don't know. I might go with this pearl. Let's just test it out. That's gonna look super cute. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stick that there. Okay, so we are just gonna need one more tiny squeeze of this gorgeous mint deco whip, and then we will put on our cute little mint pearl. That even looks cute like that, just with the little mint deco whip sticking out, but we are gonna put the pearl and it's gonna be even cuter. Eek! Oh my goodness, you guys, I love it so much. I love it so much. So much. Here is the close-up. So of course it isn't dry yet, but oh my gosh, I love it so much. So Essie, if you're seeing this video, then the box should already be on its way to you. Well, actually it's going to take about 24 hours to dry. So depending on when I post this, it is either on its way to you or will be very shortly. But you guys, I think it turned out so super cute. I'm really happy. So originally we were also going to make Essie's necklace in this video, but I think that the video is probably long enough, and I actually do have some other necklaces and stuff to finish off. So what I'm gonna do is just end the video here, and then we will make the necklaces in the next session of Craft With Me, or the next Craft With Me session, I should say. Oops, I totally forgot to use these. I totally wanted to use these. That's okay. We can use them on this one when we make this one. So yeah, should we do like a little series up and coming for Halloween of Pastelloween deco boxes? Let me know. So that was it for today's video, you guys. What do you think? I really like it. It did not turn out quite as pastel-y as my last one, but it still has, or as this one I should say, but it still has lots of pastel elements. It's actually a bigger box, and I think it is super cute, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love the little pastel skulls. I love the macaron. I love the roses. I love everything. Okay, so I am going to let that dry. I'm gonna set up for my next video, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Don't forget to like the video if you didn't already. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.